Today we're talking about Jasmy Coin. Jasmy's sitting at around a penny right now. It's down around 1.7% over the last 24 hours, essentially. Over the last 7 days, however, 22% in the red. Trading volume is also down significantly, around 31%. Again, I'm just seeing a lot of mixed feelings, mixed opinions on Jasmy Coin. Obviously, just a project that has been at the forefront of just overall interest, retail traders, whatever level of crypto trader you are. There just seems to be a significant amount of price action and just overall volatility in interest and in price with Jasmy Coin. Again, I've made numerous videos on Jasmy. I recommend you guys checking them out. Obviously, I did have a position. Currently do not have a position in Jasmy anymore. I want to just be as transparent as possible. No longer have a position. This is obviously a project that I have significant interest in. And depending on what happens, I'm definitely still open to adding a position or getting a position in Jasmy Coin. But up 187% over the last month, right? Which, again, for me, I took a L on that, considering I sold my Jasmy like somewhere, I think, around here, maybe even here. Like, I sold it late 2023. I just was over it. I think, at certain points you have to just move on from projects, right? You have to move your money to faster moving vehicles, is what I would like to call it. But nonetheless, Jasmy Coin can continue with making these videos because it is a project that I do have interest in, and I still honestly do think there is potential here with Jasmy Coin. But obviously some things need to happen. But again, not financial advice, you guys. Just going to go over a few things in regards to this project. Let me know in the comments below if you're still holding Jasmy. Also, drop a like on this video and hit that subscribe button because I do drop content like this all the time. But let's get into this. I'm going to put links to all the tweets in the description below of this video. Shout out to all these Twitter users. You guys, highly recommend checking out all these Twitter users and their Twitter pages. Again, very resourceful information and opinions on Jasmy Coin. So Houston 08068672 on Twitter or X. Jasmy Community. Next week, 2 big events: the Bank of Japan meeting and then the Fed meeting. Will Bank of Japan do it and surprise the global market and end the negative rates, marking the first hike in 17 years before Fed's next interest rate decision? The BOJ meeting is March 18th and 19th, and the FOMC meeting is March 19th through 20th. Imagine BOJ hike and Fed cut. Obviously could bode well for Jasmy Coin, right? You can see here, Reuters, Bank of Japan leaning towards exiting negative rates in March, sources say. Jasmy Community, obviously, probably to a degree somewhat affected by this. Obviously, being a digital asset and being labeled the Bitcoin of Japan, this obviously could have a direct effect, positively or negatively, on a project like Jasmy Coin. So keep in mind that there are some big things coming up here for Jasmy Coin. Again, highly recommend checking out this Twitter user. I'm going to mention this Twitter page again in a second. Jasmine Management. So apparently this is essentially like an official, I don't want to say, it's like an official publication page, I guess. Jasmy MGT on Twitter. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm official representative of Jasmy. We are thrilled to announce that Junction, the first DPIN project incubated by Jasmy, is about to launch. We cordially invite you to follow Junction's Twitter for the latest news about Junction and Jasmy. But it's interesting because we just, again, there's been no previous, like, I guess, I don't want to say like press really about Junction other than like Hara having it on his Twitter and things like that. Hara is the CFO, if you did not know. But nonetheless, Junction, obviously something in an aspect of the Jasmy ecosystem, DPIN times AI permissionless chain incubated by Jasmy. And you can see here, ETH Denver last week, Hara was there. I actually gained a lot of confidence through this event. It was an unforgettable experience with truly a great group of guys. Again, so we'll see what this becomes, or what this essentially turns into here, as far as Jasmy and this subsidiary Junction, right? But I guess this Jasmy MGT official representative here, 777 Ascending Dragons Crypto, 777 ADC Ripto on Twitter. Mentioned this Twitter user before. Great opinion here, and this is kind of where I'm at, and kind of the narrative that I've been saying or talking about in the videos on Jasmy. So Jasmy family, these posts are not meant to be FUD, and that's kind of exactly what I say when I make these videos here. Communication is slow. This is what this Twitter user 777ADC Ripto has come to realize too. Exactly what I've been kind of talking about in my previous videos. Jasmy communication is slow. That's facts. Links are down often, and there's no real value yet, right? B&B love-hate relationship true. Is this all planned? In my humble opinion, I think it is. $1 Jasmy. So it's just really true. Like we've talked about the lack of communication, lack of transparency, lack of letting investors or potential investors know what's happening with the project. Links are down and things like that, right? There's no real fluidity with things as far as their announcements go, right? Which is very true. And then there's no real value yet, right? There is essentially no real value or real utility when it comes to Jasmy. Like when you talk about like this project actually having like real use case, right? There's obviously things that in the pipeline could show significant like interest, or could show like significant reasoning for something like that to be going on. But as of right now, there's just no real interest, no real utility in this project, right? And that's just the fact of the matter, right? I'm not saying that there will not be real world utility with Jasmy, but as of this time, it's just not really the case. Captain Jasmy on Twitter, the nice little Twitter thread here, but going back to Houston, 0806872. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I just watched the AMA with Hara, and your questions, Captain Jasmy, to Hara regarding layer 2 token migration and what will happen with Jasmy Coin. His answer was clear that there is no replacing Jasmy Coin, and the layer 2 is a different project. So I don't really understand why you're talking about a 1-to-1 conversion. Anyone can watch the video and see what Hara Jasmy said below. I'm not gonna play this video. I don't want to get demonetized for this, but nonetheless, I mean, again, I'll put a link to this tweet in this Twitter thread in the description below. But again, it just goes back to there is confusion, right? People are wondering if there's going to be a 1-to-1 conversion here with Jasmy. Is there going to be a coin, a layer 2 token migration that is going to replace Jasmy Coin, right? There's just a lack of fluidity, a lack of what is specifically going to happen here with this project. And I really hope we do get some transparency sooner or later, because when we do talk about like the potential or where Jasmy could go in a specific type of bull run, there is obviously potential there. So, and then finally, I just want to show the coin market cap and the market cap of here. Jasmy Coin, obviously, like I've reiterated before and time again, needs the token lockup, right? Just based on circulating supply. If it had a $6 billion market cap, we're talking about Jasmy trading at 13 cents. And at $25 billion market cap, we're talking about Jasmy trading at 52 cents, which is still a 29x. So when I talk about Jasmy and the potential, there is obviously still going to be potential for people to make money here on Jasmy Coin. That's what most people, probably 99.8% of people into crypto are looking to do, is to invest and make money, obviously make those gains. So again, I definitely still think that's possible here. But nonetheless, we need some things to happen with Jasmy Coin. So again, here's the Jasmy update. Let me know in the comments what you guys feel about Jasmy Coin. I wanted to make this video for y'all. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.